o'clock in Moscow, and here is the planet's ultimate game.
You, my people, there, it's Leon on the Boys Arena, and we're bringing you the game week 37, where things are going to be eaten, where glory is going to be shattered, where people and history is going to be written. Today in studio, I will be hosting my friend, who is going to help me analyze these all things, and his name is Faris. Hope you can introduce yourself, then go on.
Also shasema mimi Faris na kwa majina tunataka Faris, Ipil analysis. Uko kuona bado sitajua lakini mimi ni Ipil analysis.
So before you continue, you can click the subscribe button as it comes closer to where I am standing.
Yeah.
Unaweza kuja kidogo karibu. Games zinaanza Friday 16. Game ya kwanza ni Aston Villa watakuwa wakimenyana na Tottenham. Unasema aje?
To me, this game is a game that Aston Villa is going to be determining to if they are playing the Champions League. So I give a win of 2-1 to Aston Villa.
2-1 to Aston Villa. Napenda hiyo spirit. Then the greatest team in the world with the poorest team right now will be facing to break and to shatter history, where Chelsea is going to be facing against Manchester United. The game will be at Stamford Bridge, and it will be played at exactly 10 p.m. It's African time to Patani.
Okay, to me this game, because on the home form of Chelsea is a bit good and impressive. So to me they will not try to break their own trend. So it's a win of Chelsea, it's a win to Chelsea, a win of let's say 3-2 or 2-1.
3-2. For me, Chelsea is going to take it. Then there will be no EPL games on Saturday, so let us give you this other tip. There will be an FA final. I think you know that. Which team is going to be playing and what is the score?
Okay, this is a game between Crystal Palace and facing Manchester City at the Wembley Stadium. And I think so Crystal Palace have a higher chance of scooping it because they want to play in the Europa and they want to lift a cup.
Okay.
And if Man City do not lift this cup, they're going to be trophyless like Real Madrid.
Okay, that's good. And also Arsenal. Don't forget about Arsenal. Then we are going to rush to Saturday, where I don't think there will be much of activities. The games will be starting from 2. There is no much big game on that day. The first game, which will be on early kickoff, itakuwa ni Everton, Southampton.
So these games on Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday Everton. I give an Everton ahead.
I'm a pair Everton jicho.
Yeah.
Then Nottingham, West Ham. West Ham kwa nyumbani.
Okay, due to my analysis, when you analyze your game, you know at least Nottingham wamepoteza their striker wengine, alafu to sasa like because they placed him in a coma, and to me this game, I think so West Ham will have a chance because I think so Bowen will score.
Bowen to score.
Yeah.
That means that West Ham is going to win. If Bowen scores, then Nottingham is going to win. Then after Apple, Brentford wananyuki watakuwa kicheza dhidi ya Fulham. Yako ni yapi?
And this game is going to end up in a draw of 2-2 or 1-1.
2-2. So you've gotten it from him. It's a draw. So later on that day at 5, a game between two underdogs will be between Leicester and Ipswich. What do you think?
Okay, Leicester Ipswich game ni let's say like Diwasha relegatiwa, the team has been relegated, but they have a player who is going to be a free agent. That's Jamie Vardy, and I think so. On the last game, it tried. He was able to provide an assist. This game, I think so, is going to score, and he's going to leave a record.
Yeah. So Jamie Vardy wants to be a legend, and this is his last chance. If he scores on Sunday, that makes him automatically a legend who carried his team all the way from lands to riches. So on the closing that day, the second team on the table, the number 3, watakuwa wakikuzana. Arsenal watakuwa wakikuzana na Newcastle.
For me, game Arsenal hana strikers so far, but they have Saka, they have Martinelli, then Merino amepata red. Angalia game Merino alikuwa it was a silly red, and they have that tackle. Alafu Newcastle still have their players, they have Van, they have Isaac, alafu kuna Bruno Guimaraes, kuna Murphy. So these are the attack iko tu best, the ball defense iko tu sawa. Newcastle win ama game isha draw.
Newcastle to win for me. Then we turn to Monday.
Yeah.
Kutakuwa na game usiku sana, I think itakuwa saa 4 which will be between Brighton and Liverpool. Take yako ni gani?
Brighton to win. Sio ya mingi hapo
Liverpool hawana kitu kubwa ya kuchase, washapata ligi ndio kitu walikuwa wana chase, but Mo Salah ndiye amebaki hapo na kitu ya kuchase. Haaland asharudi, so lazima aongeze hiyo goal difference ndio Haaland anaweza funga, he can score anytime. So another game yenye itakuwa Tuesday before we release from our studios itakuwa Crystal Palace na Wolves. Take yako ni gani?
Mimi napenda Wolves kichwa juu Crystal Palace, wachezaji wa Crystal Palace watakuwa wamechoka because watu kwa mchezo here the Saturday with facing Man City, Man City is a big team because they're fighting for cup. If they manage to win it, it will be a congratulation to them, and if wakilose bado watakuwa wamechoka. Wolves kichwa
or Wolves kichwa kulingana na wewe. So I thank you very much for having your time to come to our studios. We hope to invite you another time and later. Thank you. For our viewers, I thank you for following this video to this end, and I urge you to click the subscribe button.